Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Many of you know that I love electronics. I love cameras. I love the microphones. Am I the most up-to-date audiophile when it comes to a lot of stuff? No, but I do work in a retail setting, and we have an event coming up, and I was sent a couple extra goodies to kind of utilize when it comes to our streamer day event at my local Best Buy store. Um, Today, I'm going to open one of those items that I'm pretty sure I know what it is, but I'm going to save it for you guys. So I'm going to do an unboxing. I don't know exactly what it is, even though I do have a pretty good idea. I want you guys to check it out with me. Hit that like and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this new goodie that I'm going to open from GoPro. All right, guys. Got my nice box from GoPro. I've actually got a good little setup this time. If my camera shakes, I apologize. This is the first time of actually doing something exactly like this with some actual decent lighting. So just says GoPro on the back. It says remove wrapping, paper wrap before displaying or stocking product. It says the same thing on the back. So let's go ahead and peel off what we've got right here, so we can get an idea what this is. I believe this is a new item from GoPro that just came out pretty recently, like the past day or two. All right. Nice big white box. Let's go ahead and open this up. It's got a little tab right here to tear. All right. And much like the kit from GoPro for the 13 Black, it comes in a nice big old case like this. Now let's unzip it. Ooh. Okay, now I was right about what this is. This is the new GoPro gimbal. So if you guys have done any research at all, you know that this was just recently announced. I ended up seeing it in my email and went and checked it out, and I thought it was really cool. This is actually called the Fluid Pro AI Gimbal, and it just came out on the 21st, so yesterday. I've never really used a gimbal before, but I guess this is going to be my first time I'm actually using a gimbal. So it is actually really, really cool. I'm just going to take everything out of the box right now, or out of the container. Got this. Looks like this is a tripod stand that they've got there. Everything else in here is just kind of how it looks, all the goodies for it. And this is probably some connector cables and connectors for mobile phones, for the GoPro itself. And of course, it does not want to come out of the box. And yeah, there's a bunch of pieces in here. Let's get this out of the way, because this is in the way right this second. All right, so basically what's going on in the video now is I've opened the actual gimbal up from GoPro for the Fluid Pro AI, and just kind of trying out some of the different accessories that have actually come with the particular gimbal. So, I mean, it's a really nice little device to get. Again, I don't really know a lot about gimbals. I haven't played around with them so much. The things that are coming in the actual box right now are the gimbal, the AI tracking module. You got a phone mounting bracket, the GoPro mounting bracket and finger adapter, thumb screw, tripod base, gimbal USB-C charging cable, camera USB-C charging cable, and a zippered case. So you saw the big case as I was taking it out of the box. So it professional 3-axis gimbal supports phones, GoPros, and some compact point and shoot cameras. Forward rear facing AI subject tracker module locks in with precision, which I will play with at a later date. Integrated fill light for more professional results. You actually see me accidentally turn that on really quick at some point here. A robust construction supports up to 400 grams, which is not a gigantic camera, but it might work with some of the cameras that you've got. Ultra stable orthogonal motor tilts and rolls 335 degrees with unlimited 360 degrees pans. Wirelessly control your phone's camera's shutter, zoom and focus, and your GoPro shutter on select camera models. Battery time up to 18 hours. USB power out port serves as a power bank for phones or GoPros while you use them. GoPro Fluid app provides creative video and photo capture tools. It's also backed by GoPro's limited lifetime warranty. Now, all this information is from GoPro's actual website, where you can actually pick this device up or find more information. I will post that information in the description below. So we're going to get back to the actual video in just a quick second. Thanks for listening, guys. That is pretty much going to do it, guys. I mean, like I said, it's not much to it in terms of unboxing. There's not a lot of pieces, a lot of parts to the actual gimbal itself. But, you know, we can go over some of the little things that are actually on the website. It retails for $229. It's on GoPro.com. It is going to be coming to some of your other retailers if it hasn't already hit. In terms of Amazon, Best Buy, B&H Photo, you know, some of the big ones, obviously. It says it's an AI subject tracking gimbal designed for GoPro cameras, smartphones, and compact point-and-shoot cameras. Engineered to meet the needs of today's multimedia or multi-camera owning content creators. Fluid Pro AI's features include robust 3-axis gimbal with interchangeable mounts for GoPro cameras, smartphones, and compact point-and-shoot cameras weighing up to 400 grams. So if I was going to hook something up, say my actual Sony camera that I've got up here, I would probably have to play with it and see if I could even get it to stay on the actual gimbal itself. But it could be a game changer for a lot of people, so that you're not going out there and looking at a lot of those DJI ones out that are like $400 and $500 and $600 and $700. At the end of the day, this is just a couple $100 item, but I think this item's going to be really good for content creators that are kind of on the go, wanting to record themselves. They want to have a more stable option instead of walking and you seeing every single step that they're actually taking because the camera is like so this is going to be really good for people, whether it's a point and shoot, whether it's their phone, whether it's a GoPro or anything. As a forward or rear facing AI subject tracker that locks onto faces or bodies to keep subjects perfectly framed. Integrated fill light for balanced professional looking shots during the day and at night. It does have up to 18 hours of runtime with a power bank functionality to charge your devices on the go. So much like the actual tripod that comes with the GoPro Creator Edition, whatever you want to call it, it has a battery built into it as well. So you can actually charge these up while you are actually on the go. So I don't have a lot of uses for this just yet, but I think if I play around with this a little bit more, it might actually get me a little more interested in leaving the house and actually using my cameras on the go, or maybe walking around my yard with it and talking to you guys about different things. So as you can notice too, I'm also using the Rode microphone as well. The wireless microphone, got it connected to my Rodecaster Duo. So hopefully this audio is coming out really good for you guys, not just on your computers, but maybe your mobile devices and other streaming devices that you are actually using. So I would highly recommend, if you are a person looking for a good gimbal, take a look at this and see if this is something that you're going to like, whether you are a novice like myself when it comes to it, or whether you are a seasoned professional when it comes to using these type of accessories for your cameras. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Drop a comment below and let me know if you plan on getting one of these particular gimbals. There is going to be a link below, so you can click on it And if you want to pick one up, cool. If not, hey, I completely understand. It's not the most cost-effective world we're living in right now. I mean, things are a little tight across the board, whether you're working in the government or not. But hey, if this can better your content, check it out. Again, hit that like and subscribe, guys. I'm going to see you next time. Till then, hit record, keep posting, and rock on.